What is up, Crypt Nation? Just hopped out of the shower, coming at you guys with a quick market update. We saw Bitcoin slowly start breaching 9,000, and it hit it very sharply. I want to get hit by this guy. Hit it very sharply, bounced off almost immediately. So we're finding lots of, at least short-term support here at 9K. It's a very, very important level. In other news, we also had a huge breakout in Cardano, ADA. So we're liking how that broke above recent highs and is starting to more or less consolidate right there above those old highs of the range. Beyond that, Link has been a top performer and it had another awesome breakout day. Kyber Network is one of those coins that has just been pumping like crazy. It's at like $1.50. Just last week it was at $1. I mean, these things are just moving a lot quicker than we've really seen them move in a long time, which has me, tempted. Not saying it, but I'm tempted to say that alt season is very close upon us. But alt season is like one of those things that's like once anybody says it, it's always gone, right? It's never going to come if people are looking for it. It's kind of like a boiled pot. A pot of water never boils when you're watching it. And then as soon as you stop paying attention, it starts to boil. So that's kind of what it is with the market. I just really love this really, good support that we're finding here on Bitcoin at 9K. Just the longer we stay in between 9 and 10K, and the more volume we really accumulate, the higher we could really go, right? Trends need volume in order to continue, right? So you can't necessarily just, have a trend continue with no volume. And you can see on the charts, by just looking at the charts, right? You have lots of volume that's starting to come back into the market, whereas in this range, I guess it's a little loud over there, I'm gonna turn around. In this range that we've been at, in between 9 and 10K, you can see it's been slow, right? The volume has tapered off. And just now, within the last week, last 3 days, I would say the volume has really come back into full swing. So it's going to be a slow uptick in volume, but we're looking also at Ethereum, right? Ethereum has been having some great price performance. Truly. I mean, this thing used to be $1,400, right? Back in January 2018, and now it's $226. So when you think about it like that, it's a 75-80% discount. A lot of the other coins have more discounts than that. You look at Zcash, something like Zcash used to be, I guess it was like $800, $810 back in December of 2017. Now it's at $50, right? $52. So stuff like that, when you see the networks losing value or losing price, but gaining value, right? They all have more users than they had back in 2017. They have more network adoption. They have more awareness. They have more miners. They have more security, more value being pumped into the networks, but the price is lower. So again, it's one of those things that we always talk about. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. These things, you're scooping up really good deals if you're buying crypto at these prices. So that's kind of my thoughts on the market today. Hasn't been hugely volatile, although some of those breakouts were nice, but overall volatility is still, relatively contracted. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna do some more waiting. We're gonna be patient, guys. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna be waiting for all that volume to kick in and for us to break above $10,400, that fated resistance level in Bitcoin. That it's held us down for almost exactly a year. So once 10.4 falls, everything else should really fall like dominoes straight up to 14K, around 13.8, right? And once we get there, we'll have to reset, maybe come back and test 10K again. You never know, right? But from there, it's pretty clear skies up to 20K. So we're excited about all this stuff. Check us out, man. Crypto 101 podcast, cryptorevolution.com.